quick video, some of you may not know. On the older Ferraris, when you have the brake pushed down and you got one of these F1 shifters, shifted in reverse, you'll lift up and pull back, and then the reverse light turns on. Then you could hit the paddle and it went to 1, or you could just go forward. But going back, you have to lift up and back. I believe if you do both of them, it's neutral. Yeah, there it is. There's neutral. And also the brake, when pushing down the brake, push the button all the entire time you're lowering it down. Then the brake turns off. See, if you just push and let go, the brake will not turn off. You gotta keep pushing it all the way down, like that. That's it. I guess also one more thing, it will not start, of course, unless you unlock it with the immobilizer. So oftentimes it felt like the car's open, but if you had it open for a while, it sometimes locks and then or arms the alarm. See, it just armed. Red or blue? Red or blue? What do you guys think? Red? Blue? Clear. Lava looking cool. Thing. Just look at it. The gated shifter.
Gated shifter. You still need to use the clutch.
Still need to use the clutch? Of course you need to use the clutch.
There's some people who doesn't know.
Let's see that thing in reverse, huh? Okay, clear. Стой, тут странно чуть-чуть. А ну-ка, inch by inch. Да, it's kind of high.
High?
Да, because of the lift gate.
Does it touch?
No. But стой, медленно, медленно, медленно. Еще little. Стоп. Заезжай вперед. Заедь вперед. Да. Заедь назад. Слава. И туда повел. Oh my gosh, now the remote broke for the lift gate. Look at this, my view. It's kind of a nice little dealership here. It's called Redline Restorations. Rust repair, paint detailing. They buy and sell. Look at that Mitsubishi. It's kind of cool. JDM. Slava went to go fix the battery or whatever is wrong with the remote. Oh my goodness. I guess it's that solenoid behind this little control fuse circuit breaker switch panel. Oh, this sucks. Check this out, guys. Look what we have. This place is called Redline Restorations. So this is the show floor that's available for viewing. And then out back behind these windows, there's 300 cars that are being restored. This may be one of them. That's pretty cool. So, yeah. What a glorious place to be. A 97 F50. And then there's a lounge out here. So you could lounge around and talk more about cars.
Turn its TVs on, make it sexy for
Oh, yeah. It's a pretty cool model.
Yeah, it is, right? So precise.
Look at that. So this place, they completely restore cars. They do paint correction. They will repair a car like the one we seen in the news that was just a bare shell. I don't know that, noticed that before, but look at the heat shields on the ceramic brake discs. Kind of cool, huh? Well, and over here too. Never seen that before. Massive brakes. Check this out, huh? Wow, amazing. So you get the lowest cars on here, huh? Look how he's got it. And it pivots out another 36-inch piece. So it's got welded on. Rollers like that. That's pretty sweet. And it just does the wheel straps. cool. Very cool. So you could get Formula One car on there and stuff, right?
Yeah.
That's just the 18-foot bed, right? Or 19?
I think
It's not
19.
21.
No, I know he extended the bed.
Yeah, yeah.
He did all of that back then. I'm not sure.
We got a Dodge Ram tow truck
I believe.
with a certain Century bed. So yeah, that's
I'm about to clean up the aluminum now. Polish it up.
polish it up.
Right, yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Yeah, I got one of these.
All them exotics. What do you think about that? All right, time to leave this beautiful place. Come by. Wow, they had some amazing stuff, but I got a lot of work to do. One of which is to stop this traffic. Let's look at this thing. Isn't this weird, huh? They're selling this weird bus thing. Slava, take a minute. Look at this weird. It looks like it's got all the windows. You know this is my kind of stuff, huh? Ronald Tiny, where are you? This is our dream bus. Okay. Еще, давай. Slav. Look at this guy. Давай. Yeah. Auto box. Making it happen. Don't forget to pick me up. Oh, there's the secret shop we're not allowed to go into, but wow, look at their swamp cooler. Redline Restorations. If you guys got a chance, come by and check them out. Follow them on Instagram too. They got a page. Yeah. Time for me to hop in.
Okay. The
Sure.
other supermarket have you put straps?
Yeah, I strapped it.
Okay, because I didn't pay
Let's
attention.
get
so
out. Yeah.
Certain they can go. All right.
Let's get out of here. Finally.
2.5 hours inspection. That's the longest one.
These guys. What's up, guys? It's the next car. The transport of the day. What's the red switch for? Oh, wait. There we go. Oh yeah, man, this thing idles so well.